Hi Hadu. Today we are going to draw the calligraphy, this nice Islamic calligraphy, and it's a free flowing line. You can see I'm drawing from the top, and the freehand drawing. This is very important here because you have to draw the whole shape without the instruments, and there's the beauty of the calligraphy. Sometimes these shades and the outlines, the curves, it looks like the organic shape. All right. So lots of curves you can see, and parallel to those curves, in some places the line thickness is going to be more thick, and in some places the line thickness going to be thinner. First we are drawing the outlines, then we are going to fill up the space inside it. All right, so you can see the shades and shape here. Now we're going to fill up inside. Let's fill up the colors. So after filling up the spaces inside the total calligraphy, it's going to look very nice, and presentations is going to be uniform. All right. After filling up the whole shades, you can see the diagrams and outlines is going to be very wonderful. All right, so usual shapes is going to be almost done, and we're filling up the inside of these two parallel lines. Okay, so this is the calligraphy. I hope you like that drawing, and you can also browse through the playlist and select all other different categories of drawings: sceneries, circled sceneries, the fruits, vegetables, the animals, human figures. So many options and drawings there. Please stay tuned with Blue Hand Drawing channel. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.